So the issue of somebody, an opposition person, went to encourage people to engage in crime. A government shouldn't even be saying that. And what did you do?
No, but you saw it.
No, I'm saying, what did you do? It doesn't matter whether I saw it or not. What did you do about it?
You just told.
Mama Akwaba, what friend me Adwa search name, Mesrel. Now I subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news. Ebusianfo Randy Abbey, our journalist, and our Okasi. Now, Otresa His Excellency Nana Dankakufado Nabawe. So when Timmy and fighting and Tia Galam said, dear, and na by way a useless government. Na neka semu na NPP communicator no e say onye useless because he decided to fight against it. And NDC for Kwaku Boahen led by NDC led by Kwaku Boahen eko Galamsey site waka kire almost emoboa obampani nanado Galamsey no okutia no ose mundwuma moboa monto abane NDC oba mo sesa montus mo koye adwuma Galamsey site mo se yensase mo se yensu na yenwu na yensu yembra na yembedi yembebu amembu ni bi yenye sika fa hwe yemba na yenye sesa yen girlfriends nkogu abrochi di Kwaku Boahen moto abane maye ni eba mo koye Galamsey nsu se ya fa ye ho nsase se ya fa ye ho nsase ye na ye ndi anti mo so mo right am be se no nsu ye na ye ndi anti mo right am be se nsu no moto abane maye na ye mbra na NPP communicator no every fair eye Randy Abisa na Randy Abe say and say His Excellency na don Kakufo atena ho Kwaku Boahen ene nam ho free dia ene na nanado na membu we useless Randy Abe me no ya adwen nyesa me no ya adwen say wo kan sa you Randy Abe you are defending NDC in fact omampenda da Mahamasi oba obema omo aye Galamsey omugu prison amnesty no more about you Randy Abe you are defending that omampenda da Mahamasi no kan on carbon. I'm not supporting you so but I'm supporting you and another na membu useless they went to me uncle Galamsey yampa because anka Kwaku Boahen on nam ho to me nya audacity kwatena radio so san so come echo Jesus Christ echo make a comment about Galamsey bio Kwaku Boahen what's asking you about can we won Messi utri Susanna God will deal with you Kwaku Boahen. You have the right, the audacity to go and sit on UTV to talk about Galamsey. Like seriously, like are we serious in this country? Like you want painful Ghana and he's working freely. No one is asking him anything. I'm on friend or Bibia. I mean, some politicians and one money more NDC and NPP for you know yourself. Muna mo say Ghana mine na Ghana yesu. But mo si kana munya mo de betondru. Mo de betiaka. Si kana bi nka mo nsem because mo person Ghana for ye wudi mo bedi nka ato na no won se do ase aba. Kwaku Boahen nam ho sa na nado. Na Ghana ha se me ya we se mpanifo ni o man mo. We don't have leaders. The one people in NDC for, but we don't have leaders. Ghana for ordinary citizens near one man. We have political parties. I do election time. They come to our districts, our constituencies to tell us to vote for them. But we don't have leaders to, concern about us, raise concern issues. Ordinary citizens in here, kidding issue na. Your friend is sorry. Dialysis a man no. Some mutual dialysis no. Mutual mama frack of me 18 years me boy. And I'm try 20 up in 14 I'm do 64 so. Into middle for no na one or catch us will be na sa youth no. Whisker. See as I can do be afra man for be afra my selection. But you don't care about us. Why selection about the fence and dialysis no. If you memo friend and painful. Middle age for the more train yeja. But NPP and NDC, you are the same people la. Mo say yensu ena yenduane. Eja chemical substance. Ayeko yensu na yenduane yedia yewu. Eye mo leaders NPP and NDC for. Nyame ni mo bedi say. Nyame mo fi say why ye di oti ho nti o hwe mo ana ni mo bedi ne basa. In fact, Nanado to oti Flagstaff house. Nanado ne ni 100. Ena we tumi asori akọ regions na district wa Ghana ha ni aso ko monitor Galamsey. Nanado so be fight it. DCs, ahemfofo, MPs, ministers, most of them penny. Nti ye na yengu man na yengu. Na me ni Randy Abe ya adwe because na nado. Kwaku Boahen nam ho freely there. Yenim send people in this woman no more galamsey. But I could buy here to me about to to park or galamsey. So no so be trying to meet Yanaka. I video and then I'm internet and so Kwakuba and Dawson and one day. Randy Abbey would cassette. What about we useless went to me and fight galamsey. Nanado, me and Papa no, me and I'm feeling when it comes to infrastructures, we develop your mind on the day. I'm 100%, but galamsey issue no. And it's me, and it's why I the power. But I said Kwakuba and I'm ready, and I don't hear Fuku. So Kwakuba and I prosecute no. Now your friend is say, oh, Kwakuya Boa. Dan Kwakuya Boa, I salute you. Your phone a war no. Ish Yakupon Shas, I phone. Only me answers in Ghana phone penny for moon 99.9. Kwakuba has your Babatuaba. Tina galamsey issues, yeah, sorry. Send ye Batuaba, most sign peace accord no. More friend is for MPP for. Dr. Boahen finance and pass it. Or my penda that Mahaman finance and pass it. Ya baby quetty galamsey. Send ye beya, or being Kojina baby, and for galamsey for your campaign. I'll bounce and went in your fight here too. And the son is all for galamsey and your campaign because 2020 galamsey sites no my penda that Mahama Lusu, His Excellency Adam Kufado, Elusu City winner. Galamsey site be a NPP, Elusi, because this is for the quiet campaign. Can't try woman name. Or my yetimene. Let
us be clear, and that's why they must be voted out of power. There is no political will. So when we come to put the same pressure on us to deal with it, but we don't have power, we cannot do anything till we have power. And we are saying that we are going to deal with only small.
They have the power to go to the galamsey side and tell them that they should continue to do it.
We never said that.
So Chief.
That is wrong.
So Chief.
No.
Chief.
Yes, please.
If tomorrow.
Yes.
That's why I said that. I see people who post things on social media and they are picked up by the police. Because what they posted is seen as something illegal or criminal or something. I'm saying that it is only a useless government.
You have the power.
It is only a useless government that will say that I've seen somebody engage. Please let me finish.
You've gone far.
No, please let me finish. So let me finish. I'm saying, let me finish.
You didn't say you are useless.
No, is that
I said that it's only.
If I finish, you would appreciate what I'm saying. I'm saying that it is only a useless government that is clothed with everything.
Yes.
That will say that I can pick and choose when to enforce the law.
Yeah.
I've given you examples of high-ranking politicians who are being prosecuted for perceived crimes. So the issue of somebody, an opposition person, went to encourage people to engage in crime. A government shouldn't even be saying that. And what did you do?
No, but you saw it.
No, I'm saying, what did you do? It doesn't matter whether I saw it or not. What did you do about it?
You just told us that the person that you saw on this was invited by the police, right?
The candidate
was invited by the police.
Yes.
It's a step, right? Somebody has been invited by the police.
Hey, Raji.
We don't know the information the police has taken from him. We don't know the state at which the police is acting on that matter. Does that mean?
Did you see?
Does that mean?
Did you see
that no step?
Did you see the galamsey, Accra Kumasi Highway? Did you see what had been done about 5 meters from the main highway? As of last week, that pit had not even been covered.
We are all concerned about what happened.
It is not a matter of being concerned. I can be.
It is them.
Chief,
they encourage.
I can be
How
concerned.
can you say we encouraged it?
Chief.
You even say you will even give them amnesty.
All the things happening in
Konongo. Give them amnesty.
We said
you have not even proposed anything to do that.
Stop. This is a false.
All the things happening.
It's false.
All the things happening in Konongo Dumasi. There's a Rexec there. There's a Rexec there and everything. And I've seen what is happening. I've seen the work done by Erastus and all the other people. A town virtually hanging on stilts because there's mining going all under. And then government issues a statement to tell me that the same people who have superintended this thing are those that government intends relying on to enforce the law.
Is it
how?
There's always something to be done by existing bodies. Perhaps they can do things differently.
Because you have baptized them. You baptized them this morning.
The fight for
our brothers in the NDC.
It's over. This is the statement.
They are
organized
labor, apostolic fathers